Unit 83, a friend of mine, my own house, on my own and by myself. A friend of mine, a friend of Tom's. A friend of mine, if we say my friend, for example, it is direct and specific, more specific. But if I say a friend of mine, still it is one of my friends, but it is not specific as my friend. There is a slight difference between them, a very slight difference. A friend of Tom's, let's say Tom, if we refer to Tom, we can say he, and to make position for he, it becomes his. So we can say a friend of his, or to remove the pronoun his, the possessive pronoun his, and put the name itself, we say a friend of Tom's. We put apostrophe plus s. What comes after the preposition of is a possessive pronoun or name, a name followed by apostrophe plus s, position case. We say a friend of mine, a friend of yours, a friend of his, a friend of hers, a friend of ours, and a friend of theirs. All are possessive pronouns. So what comes after of is a possessive pronoun here. I am going to a wedding on Saturday. A friend of mine is getting married. One of my friends is getting married here. And we don't say a friend of me. We don't use the object pronoun after of here. To express position, we use possessive pronoun. So we say a friend of mine is getting married. We went on holiday with some friends of ours. Here we can say our friends, but here we want to say some of our friends, or we can say some friends of ours. To make position for our friends, we can say ours. So we say some friends of ours. We don't say some friends of us. We don't use object pronoun after of. We use position. Michael had an argument with a neighbor of his. Michael, we refer to Michael by he, so it becomes a neighbor of his. The possessive pronoun of he is his, so it becomes a neighbor of his. It was a good idea of yours. Your idea or your good idea, it becomes a good idea of yours. So we don't say you. We don't use the object pronoun, but we use possessive pronoun of you. It becomes yours. So we say a good idea of yours. In the same way, we say a friend of my sisters. My sister, here we can refer to my sister by her. We can say a friend of hers, or if we want to mention the name, so we say my sisters, so it becomes a friend of my sisters. Again here, a friend of Tom's. We can say Tom is referred to by he, so we can, and in the position it becomes his. So we say a friend of his, or a friend of Tom's if we want to make it to mention the name. So we write Tom with possessive apostrophe plus s. So it becomes a friend of Tom's, etc. That woman over there is a friend of my sisters. So what comes after of here for position is possessive pronoun, or we put the name or the noun with apostrophe plus s. So it becomes a friend of my sisters. It was a good idea of Tom's. We can say it was a good idea of his. And to replace his by the noun itself, so we say a good idea of Tom's. It becomes Tom plus apostrophe plus S. It was a good idea of Tom's to go to the cinema. B. My own, your own. We use my or your or his or her or its or our or their before on. We can say my house, your car, her room, but on her, that means it belongs to me only. It is not shared by anyone or it is not borrowed. That's why we add on to emphasize that it belongs to me only. It is not shared by anyone or it is not borrowed from anyone. When I say my house, it belongs to me only. It is not shared by anyone or it is not borrowed. So we say my own house, your own car. We use on here to emphasize that it belongs to the person only. My own, your own equals something that is only mine or only yours, not shared or borrowed by anyone else. I don't want to share a room with anybody. I want my own room. My own room here means to say a room that belongs to me only. Vicky and George would like to have their own house. A house that belongs to Vicky and George only, not anyone else or not borrowed. So it becomes their own house. It is a pity that the flat hasn't got its own parking space. Parking space belongs to the flat itself, not shared or not borrowed. It is my own fault. I did it myself. It is not shared by anyone, by anybody. It's my own fault that I have got no money. I buy too many things I don't need. Why do you want to borrow my car? Why don't you use your own? Your own here means your own car that belongs to you only. You can also use on to say that you do something yourself instead of somebody else doing it. We use on to say that the person did something or you do something yourself, by yourself, not by anybody, by your own hands. For you, for example, Brian usually cuts his own hair. Means he takes the scissors and cut his own hair by himself. He doesn't go to the hairdresser or to someone else to cut his hair, but he cuts his hair by himself, not by anybody else. So we say Brian usually cuts his own hair, means he cuts it himself. He doesn't go to the hairdresser. I'd like to have a garden so that I could grow my own vegetables. Here, the person would like to grow his own vegetables. He doesn't want to buy vegetables from the market, no, but he wants to grow the vegetables by himself. Grow them myself instead of buying them from shops. It means like this. C. On my own, by myself. On my own and by myself both mean alone. Both mean alone. On my own, on your own, on his own, on her own, on its own, on our own, on their own. Remember this. You follow on, her before on, by my, your, his, her, its, our, their. Possessive pronouns. But by is followed by reflexive pronouns like myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. And both mean alone. I like living on my own, or I like living by myself. The same meaning. Did you go on holiday on your own, or did you go on holiday by yourself? The same meaning. Not with friends, with a friend. David was sitting on his own. David was sitting by himself in a corner of the cafe. Means David was sitting alone in a corner of the cafe. Learner, drivers are not allowed to drive on their own, or are not allowed to drive by themselves. Learner drivers are not allowed to drive alone. This is the meaning. So, on their own or by themselves have the same meaning. Means alone. Thank you.